Pinalagaan ni Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon ang post sa social media ni Senador Jingo Estrada laban po sa kanya. Yan ay matapos tila iniuugnay ni Estrada si Ridon kay dating Bulacan Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez. Ayon kay Ridon, batchmate lamang sila ni Hernandez at hindi sila naging magkakaklase at hindi rin naging magkaibigan. Idinagdag pa ni Ridon na kukonsulta siya sa Department of Information and Communications Technology at National Telecommunications Commission dahil nakita sa larawan yung address ng kanyang lola.
We were batchmates in grade school, but he was never my classmate and he was never my friend. So, medyo nakakatawa ho na inuungkat po ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada po yung mga yearbook pictures ko nung 12 years old po ako to make a connection to Bryce Hernandez. There's no connection with him.
Yan mga kapuso. Ang cute ni 12 years old pa lang pala siya dyan. Ang cute ni Congressman. Hindi, ni Congressman Terry Ridon. Congressman Terry Ridon, ano ka ba? Tinig po ni Bicol Saro Party List Representative Terry Ridon.